Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your SumUp card reader. First, ensure your new SumUp card reader is fully charged. This usually takes a few hours. Next, download the SumUp app from your smartphone or tablet's app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new SumUp account or log in with your existing credentials. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup process. Now, let's connect your reader. Turn on your SumUp card reader by pressing and holding the power button until the lights illuminate. On your smartphone or tablet, go to your settings and ensure Bluetooth is enabled. Open the SumUp app, navigate to the settings or connect a reader section, and select your specific card reader from the list of available devices. The app will guide you through the final pairing steps. With your reader paired, it's time for a test transaction. In the SumUp app, enter a small amount, perhaps $1.00, and tap Charge. Present a test card to the reader by tapping, inserting, or swiping it, depending on the card type. The reader will process the payment. Once complete, confirm the transaction details on your device. This ensures everything is working correctly before you start accepting customer payments. If you encounter any issues, first ensure both your smartphone or tablet's operating system and the SumUp app are fully updated to their latest versions. Often, a simple restart of both your card reader and your mobile device can resolve minor connectivity problems. For persistent issues, SumUp support resources are very helpful. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to fantastic deals on smart speakers and other great products to enhance your business or home setup. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.